This video is brought to you by Draeger's Classics. 1942 American LaFrance fire engine. This is a 1,000-gallon-a-minute pumper. This is a 12-cylinder flathead V12 engine. Dual ignition, so it's got dual points. It's all set up so we got lots of backup on it. Look at all the wiring in there and everything. And that's the pump right down in there. This is the left side of the engine right here. And again, you can see each cylinder has 2 spark plugs. So it's got the dual ignition on it. For some reason I was thinking this was an 8-cylinder, and it's a 12-cylinder, so it's got a neat design on the cab. I guess a hose comes, maybe those are intakes back there, and this is a outlet right here going to the hose. I don't know. There's the cockpit, the dash, and the speedometer, and all the paraphernalia. I don't know. I must have looked in here years ago. I don't know. I've never moved this fire truck other than I pushed it back about 6 inches. I think you're going to have to upholster the front seat, or the only seat in it actually. Looks like a hose reel right there. Man, it's been a long time since I looked at any of this. I don't know what this is for. It's got it on both sides, this V-trough. Got this rack up here. I assume that's for ladders in there. That's the crank handle for the reel in the back. There's all the controls for the pump. Have no idea how it works or anything else, but I'm sure somebody could get it working again. Wouldn't it be fun to see this back on the road again? A unit of your civil defense. I assume that's a ladder rack. Again, you can see the seat needs to be reupholstered. It needs a good wax job is what it needs, huh? I think it'll take a little more than that. This fire truck, my dad tried to get it running, and supposedly the engine was rebuilt and everything. And he towed it around Anacortes trying to get it, compression started, but he never did get it running. And he put it here in the warehouse, and it's been here ever since. I again moved it about 6 inches, and it's been here probably 45 years. Here's a compartment on this side. The right side, just a storage compartment. This is going to be auctioned off December 10th in Anacortes, Washington by Silver Auction Company. So if you're interested, give us a call.